significant time reduction into data entry, significant time reduction overall in every single operations which the Copilot is assisted with, is simply driven by, first and foremost, with generative AI. Saying generative AI is able to comb through a vast amount of information in a very short period of time and be able to come up with what is really needed for this specific request that is at hand. So that cuts down a lot of time that it requires in general for the normal insurance processing. But generative AI alone itself is not enough. What it needs to happen is that generative AI is just a large language model that is not trained specifically on a company's insurance data, that is not trained on a specific workflows. And if it is combined, which we do it with a more classic AI models, which has an access and a niche understanding of a specific area, then I think it can boost the intelligence that is generated beyond generative AI. So what we do is that we bring the multiple models, including foundational generative AI, but we also bring in a lot of machine learning models that are trained specifically for a specific workflows or a use cases for insurance, have them orchestrate and collaborate for a specific task that we are trying to solve, and then complete the feedback loop by using our APIs to take an action that is coming up from that recommendation. Because we don't want to leave it halfway by saying that, okay, here is the recommendation and a list of 7 things to do. We actually want to do those 7 things. And because our software, our platform is very API driven, now we can convert those recommendations into an actual API calls and complete the work for them. So this is a complete feedback loop that from an existing data, we are able to generate an intelligence, and that intelligence can actually trigger the actions to generate more data. So as you can see, this thing is that it's something that we have thought through as a complete end-to-end life cycle rather than just thinking a piece of it.